I haven't done one of these in a while. Good morning, guys. It is 7 o'clock in the morning, and we did a time change last night. So it's really dark outside, and we're gonna go fishing today. We're gonna meet up with some people up at the lake and do a little bit of a fishing competition. Oh my God.
We're out here at McDonald's getting breakfast. It's about 25 degrees outside, 25, 26.
How you doing?
How you doing?
I just got a chicken McGriddle. It's okay. Chicken McGriddle. I remember when they used to have chicken biscuits. Those were the bomb. How you doing?
Good, how are you? What's happening?
Today we're out at the lake that we've been fishing the whole weekend, and we're gonna be doing a little bit of a tournament type of deal, little fishing challenge. We got Walker and what's your name again? Kyle. And we're gonna try and outfish Luke and the yahoos. And we'll see how this goes. We got 2 hours, so you can put the most pounds in the boat. You going? Yeah. Hey. We'll take it. First one of the day. Oh, you kidding? I saw him. He just disappeared. That was a 4-pounder. They're looking. They're looking. I know. That's what I did. I'm getting in their heads. Oh. We only got one bite here, so we're gonna head down to the dam and see if the water's warmer over there. It's a little rockier. Those three Googans over there trying to fish. I don't think I got a bite. I was trying to get in their head. Bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad.
Here we go. We got our first fish on. Yes, sir.
On the blue and black jig.
Blue and black jig. Don't say anything to them. Screw them. Good release. Good release.
Wait, there. Did I just grab it like this?
Yeah, just grab it and throw it off.
It scared me.
I've never had a really awesome jerkbait bite in my entire life.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna switch. Make a switch. I got you.
Yeah, we're catching more fish than they are.
Yeah, that might be a keeper. What do you think? That's a foot long.
What are we on, 12?
12.
Dude, they're chomping on crawfish.
1.3.
What about the Wright? Get it from the bank.
We can get a little closer.
Sitting on 5 right now.
5 foot?
6.
It'll drop quick.
So it drops pretty close to the bank.
Yeah, This is like perfect. This is right where we need to be.
Update on us. We've caught 2 fish. The first one wasn't a keeper. It was a little small. And then the second one was probably 13 inches or so, and it weighed 1.3. So Aaron's been catching them all. So we're gonna make a switch, all of us, to the jig and try to get it done.
You gotta have, why would you ever just have one? I mean,
You need 2,
What
a
if-
white and a black.
what if they wanted blue?
What if they wanted like gray with a hint of chartreuse?
Yeah, you might as well.
They never do. You don't know that. We have had 0 bites. Well, actually, scratch that. Since the last bite, we've never had any bites. That makes sense. Who's calling me? Luke. What does Lucas want? Yellow.
How many fish y'all catch?
More than you. How many you got?
I don't know.
We've had 1 bite.
We've caught 2 fish.
Are you kidding me?
Swear.
On this shelf that we're at right now?
Nope.
Were you catching them on the shallows up there?
Nope.
Where'd you catch them?
Catching them, so you'll see us here in about 30.
Oh, okay. They're probably little dinks.
Oh, it was about 1.4, 1.3, and the other one was a little dink, so.
What'd you catch it on? At least give me something here.
No, I'm not giving you nothing. We're fishing a tournament, son. You're getting beat fair and square.
Yeah. You got 100 more horsepower than us. You beat us to the spot.
Yep, I know. I told you y'all could have the whole shot.
Get out of here. I'm gonna start fishing and quit talking to you.
Right.
Asshole. Why is my reel not moving? Oh. Well, because my line is frozen to my rod. I was like, piece of junk. We gotta get 1 fish in the boat.
Yeah, this is gonna be embarrassing.
You guys suck! Put that fish in the water. It doesn't count. Get out of here. They just caught one. Get out of here. Oh, man. That's brutal when you can see it happening. Hey.
Come on, baby. Oh, that's a.
It's a giant.
You lose him on the boat flip.
Oh. I should start doing that. 'Cause she doesn't want catching all the fish. We suck.
Oh yeah. All I do was fly a boat.
Are you done fishing?
Yeah, they're freezing, man. I'm not cold, but they're freezing. These boys are colder than shit.
Well, we're like right by the boat ramp, so you guys can head on over here. We can wrap this video up.
All right, we beat y'all.
Shut up.
Took that L.
Bye. We'll fish this bank real quick because I want to see if I can catch something else. We beat them.
Are we gonna come back?
We beat him with a whopping 2.3
pounds. It was what, 1.4 and 15?
So I caught the biggest one.
Yeah.
He's a monster. Let's see your pig. Freaking giant bass right here. Oh. Oh.
She's a beaut.
Oh. Yes. That release though.
Donkey, dude. That was a donkey. Oh, ours wasn't even a pound, dude. I had a keeper though. He was like 14 inches, but he weighed like 15 ounces.
Really?
Yeah, he was skinny.
That big head?
Yeah.
Woo. So,
Get his ass out.
how'd you do?
My hands are frozen. But it was a good day.
Did you catch any?
I caught this many.
Y'all caught him on this?
Yeah, that's what did it today. That's how we won the tournament.
It's like a A-rig to a new level.
I caught 2 fish. How many did you catch, sir?
0.
0. That's what I'm talking about. Okie fishing.
Yeah, you should change your channel name to Oklahoma Fishing.
It was cold, man. Glad I caught a fish, but it was good.
What'd you say about today?
It was rough. Cold. Not a 6-inch swim bait day. Not my kind of day.
Oklahoma Fishing won the tournament.
In Kansas.
Get out of here, because you guys got to the spot first.
I told you, y'all can have the whole shot, but if I back you, I'm sorry.
That's not where we got it.
We needed 2 whole shots.
No, dude, here's Aaron in the back of the boat. Doing some crazy shit, just trying to warm up his head.
I saw him, he's like...
Go, like, be like down in his head.
We'll be seeing you guys here eventually. We'll be getting out fishing again. We should do this again.
I do have a secret lake with full smallmouth.
Well, let's go.
I'm not gonna say it on camera.
Oh yeah, no, I'm not gonna say anything on camera.